Greetings everyone, it's Cain here. Welcome to my video. So you read the title, I got another truck cooking video for you guys. Now in this video, I want to cook a very simple vegan meal. I'm currently at the Safeway right now. I don't know what I'm going to cook, but let's try to find something tasty. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I enjoy making them. They're fun. So let's do this. All right, firstly, I'm gonna wash my rice. So let's get it all ready to go. All the rice we're gonna use today. All right, got a rice cooker right here. You know, I'm in the mood for sweet potatoes. We're gonna do sweet potatoes in here. Sounds about good right now. Okay. Make sure this is clean first. Good to go. All right, everyone, my rice is good to go. Now I'm gonna get my sweet potato, and I think I'm gonna have some vegan egg, just egg, with some green onions. That sounds about good. All right, well, let's get shopping. Woo! That Safeway was packed. I'm about to cut the sweet potato right now, but I got a lot of dirty looks from old people here. There's a lot of old people that shop at this Safeway. And, you know, I'm trying to record while I'm grocery shopping for my YouTube channel. And, you know, they don't understand. They just give me some weird looks like, what am I doing? And don't let that bother you guys. That used to bother me a couple of years ago. That's why I didn't film in public a lot. And, you know, people just give you that evil eye overall. Don't let them bother you. Do your thing. You know, you're doing it for yourself because you want to. And who cares what other people think? You know, you do that, you'll succeed. All right, guys, time to chop the sweet potato. I'm gonna put it in the little pan. It's gonna cook with the rice. There we go. All right, now it's currently cooking. All right, for now, just have to have patience. Just wait. All right, just doing a little cleanup currently. Always keep your vehicle clean for you fellow nomads. I got the sweet potatoes and the rice cooking in the back. Right now, I'm gonna be chopping the green onions, putting it in this bowl so I can mix them in with the vegan egg. For those of you who are loyal to the channel, I always cook these things. They add flavor. They're delicious. Yeah, let's get chopping. All right, hopefully today I don't cry. Sometimes when I cut these things, I actually don't cry. The majority of the time I do. I like to even them out. Chop off the bottoms. The trash in here. All right. Don't gotta be perfect, you know, however you like them. Really skinny or a little thick. Me personally, I don't care. You know, I was thinking about doing some chicken fried rice with some vegan chicken. You know, but I wanted it to be simple. You know, I didn't want to buy carrots and chop everything up. That's the perk of my channel, guys. Everything I cook, it's simple. It's not really that much of a hassle. You know what I'm saying? Always keep things simple. But do your research on what's healthy too. Don't just like get McDonald's fries and then put a can of beans on them, you know, and eat that all the time. You know, eat your greens, have your vegetables, your fruits and veggies. Get some good carbs in. All right, there we are. Just like that. Clean my knife off. Literally, this knife really just cuts green onions and sweet potatoes. Those are my two favorites, to be honest. Sweet potatoes, I could eat those every day. All right, let's put this in the bowl. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see. I don't really care. It'll come out delicious, trust me. You know, there's something peaceful about cooking in the truck. A lot of people may think I'm a little crazy, all in all, but I don't know. It's just very soothing and just a special feeling to it. I'm sure Mav will tell you the same thing, or Crazy Quaddy, or other channels out there that do stuff like this. All right, I'm starting to cry a little bit. Am I? Yeah, a little bit. Anyway, look at that. Beautiful. All right, I'm just gonna relax now while I wait for my food to finish cooking. In the meantime, I'm gonna be reading this book, How to Eat in the Woods. Looks like the geese are smelling my food. Alright, my egg's almost done. Look at this guy. They're all coming towards me. Mmm. Delicious. Oh man, those sweet potatoes are like candy. And there's still a lot of rice left. I love this little thing, man. Check that out, guys. Oh man, you guys have to be here to try these sweet potatoes. They're so good, man. Like a healthy candy. Where'd it go? There you are. All right, everyone, check this out. Oh yeah, I'm starving. Now, Just Egg has to be my favorite vegan egg. I've tried different kinds, but Just Egg really hits the spot. Especially with these green onions, man. Oh my god, and these sweet potatoes are to die for. Now, I should have made some tortillas as well. I didn't have any. But your tortillas would have made this immaculate. What can I say? I'm in heaven. Man, I love these Just Egg. Tastes better than regular egg, to be honest. It's made with like mung bean sprout, certain things. Tastes amazing. This is why I like doing videos like this, guys. It's a little bit of pain in the butt. Not really, but in the end, it's worth it. Oh yeah. I have some rice left over. I might give it to those geese over there. They're kind of checking me out. They kind of look hungry. They're like, "Can I have some?" Kind of felt bad, so I might give them some rice. A cop drove by, wondering what I was doing. He drove by slowly. He saw me and smiled. He was a cool cop. He saw me recording with my phone towards my little stove. You know, he knew I was just making a video. You know, I clean up after myself. I'm very understanding. This is not my property. You know what I'm saying? That's how you guys got to be too. Be respectful. All right, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. Enough talk. I'm almost done. Another amazing, easy dish to make. Took like 45 minutes for the rice and sweet potatoes. The eggs only took like 5 minutes to cook with the green onions. Man, this has to be the most tastiest thing I've ever cooked. And I cooked a lot of tasty things out of my truck, but this, the vegan egg, man, it's been a while since I had that. It's amazing. Oh, I think I have some soy sauce back here. Yeah. I was gonna give it to the ducks, but I forgot I had some soy sauce back there and it's just too tasty. I'm sorry, my little fellow geese. I should have got tortillas. If I got tortillas, I would have been more full. That was a big plate, as you guys saw. I put a hefty amount of vegan egg as well, but if I had tortillas, I would have been fully stuffed. That's why I'm eating the rice, because I'm still a little hungry. What good rice, man. I love white rice. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed my video. Hope I taught you some new tricks and gave you guys some good tips. If you guys enjoyed my video, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, so every time I upload, you guys get a notification. Like and leave a comment. I respect those who comment the most. I appreciate you all. Thank you.